this is Taposh and welcome to this module. This module we will learn that what is ChatGPT. So the last module we have seen that what we learn and all those things we have got. So here we will learn the what is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a large language model. It's a advanced language model. Okay. It is based on the GPT format. GPT based on the GPT architecture. So what is GPT? GPT is Generative Pretrained Transformer. This application has been built such a way that it is already been pre-trained. How it is pre-trained? With lots of data, lots of context. It has been built. Okay. So the main intention of this application is so that this application can respond like a human question and answer, context, content creating, customer support, all those things. So here I have written a description. So GPT actually it is developed by OpenAI, and it is a advanced language model or a large language model. It is based on the GPT, generative pretrained language, and it is designed such a way so that it can behave like a human. It can generate question answer, providing explanation, creating content, engaging content. They can create and conversation and all those things. So GPT is widely used where it is used for various applications including customer service, virtual assistant, content creator, content creating, and all those things. GPT can be used. So this is the brief introduction about ChatGPT, that what it is and how it works. And more detail if you want to know, see, it's the company name is OpenAI company created this GPT format. Okay, so OpenAI was created on December 2015. Okay, so who was the founder? Founder was that time, I am talking about the OpenAI. So that time the founder was Elon Musk also. So I think it was unknown to me that Elon Musk was involved in this project. So anyway, then I came to know it. So yes, Elon Musk was the founder. Elon Musk, Sam Altman is now the CEO of OpenAI and ChatGPT also. So Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Garg, Brogman, Ilya Sutskever, Ojichi Jaremba, and John Schulman. These are the founder of OpenAI, and it was it was built on December 2015. So after that, the GPT format has been introduced. So when it was introduced, the first GPT model came in 2018. So first GPT model came in 2018. Then the GPT-2 released in 2019. GPT-3 released in 2020. But every year or every time they are improving themselves. They are feeding the content. They are feeding the information and all those things. So that's how they are updating every year, almost every year. Then what happened? GPT-3 released in 2020. Then ChatGPT officially launched on November 2022. So officially ChatGPT launched on 2022 based on the GPT-3 architecture. Then the GPT-4, this is the latest version. GPT-4 released on March 2023. This is the update version, GPT-4, and now you will get one more version, that is GPT Plus. GPT Plus means it's a subscription base. It is the paid version. So this is also more updated. It is created based on the GPT-4 only, but this is the latest and updated version of ChatGPT as on 3rd August 2024. This is the updated version. Okay, so it is more trained. It is the content is huge. It is trained such a way so that we can get the latest update and latest content, latest details about the world and all those things. So this is a little history about ChatGPT. So that's it for this video. So we will meet in the next video where we will learn the benefits of using ChatGPT. Okay, so thank you.